Is your Optus modem constantly resetting? You're not alone. These resets are often due to three main issues: power supply problems, overheating, or faulty firmware. First, ensure your modem is plugged directly into a wall socket, not an extension cord, and that you're using the original Optus power adapter. Unstable voltage can trigger reboots. Next, check for overheating. Make sure your modem is in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and other heat sources. Dust accumulation can also cause overheating, so clean the vents periodically. Finally, outdated or buggy firmware can lead to involuntary resets. Optus rolled out a mandatory firmware update, version 2.1.4, in early 2025 to address these issues, so check for updates via the Optus app or web portal. Many users report success after updating their firmware, with reset incidents decreasing by approximately 35% according to Optus internal metrics. If the quick fixes don't work, more in-depth troubleshooting may be needed. Start by checking the LED indicators on your modem. A solid green light usually indicates stable power. Use this visual guide to understand your modem's status. Use the Optus Speed Test app to diagnose connectivity issues and verify your firmware version. As of 2025, Optus is working on smarter, energy-efficient modems with built-in AI diagnostics to prevent resets. Mesh Wi-Fi systems like Optus's Whole Home Wi-Fi can distribute network load to prevent overheating in single units. Looking ahead, Optus plans to phase out older modems by 2028, favoring 5G, 6G compatible ones that handle higher loads without resets. There is hope for autonomous firmware updates via cloud-based AI, minimizing human intervention. A class action lawsuit filed in May 2025 alleges that Optus understated hardware flaws, so keep an eye out for resolutions or updates from the ACCC. If all else fails, contact Optus support for a modem replacement, especially if it's under warranty.